Yeah, I've never heard him do that loud.
This one's like, I'll just go around. That's the female.
There's another one. There's more coming.
That's definitely the female.
Yeah, they're everywhere. They're coming from everywhere. Look. There's two more back there. Man,
Oh, he's happening to get fed.
that's like legit cool. I got all that on video.
Look at him.
Where is that?
This is a really good photo of the elephant. Look at this one.
They feed them where you can see because they're far.